Hey guys, I want to take you on a tour of my 1973 Dodge Balboa Motorhome. Here we are cruising down the PCH in Southern California. As you can see, there's large windows throughout the van. Gives you a real nice feeling of being outside. Walking up to the van here, you'll see it sits on a Dodge chassis. It's a B300. It is in really good shape. One of the nicer Balboas I've come across. Nice exterior paint, good bumpers. Ladder, you got a surf rack on top. We've got new vents, covers on the roof. All the running lights work just fine. Very minimal rust, if any at all. Really a nice piece of history here. Walking into the front of the van here, you'll see some really awesome upholstery. And this is the odometer. The engine and the van look really clean. It wouldn't surprise me if that was the actual mileage. You'll see we have AC, heat, we have the original radio in the glove box over here. You have the FM radio. Doesn't really get too many stations, but you could use a Bluetooth player or something like that. It's an automatic, it's a V8, gets about 10 to 12 miles per gallon, and you can get on your CB radio and talk to other truckers out there on the open road. Dome lights work. Everything really looks great and works well in this van. It's shocking in how well it's been cared for over the years. You'll see a little top bunk area. Down here we have the voltage meter, USB ports, cigarette lighter ports. You can charge your phones and such. Here's the main brains of all the auxiliary battery and your panels and fuses. All the electricity runs you can plug into the outside campground, or you can run off the auxiliary battery. Over here is our 40-gallon water drum, hot water heater, and our water pump. Real nice water pump in this vehicle. You see the vents there from the internal heater. Here's a Dometic 3-way fridge, runs on propane or connected to the earth, or runs off your car auxiliary battery. Plenty of drawers. The water pump turning on. You'll see we have a sink here. You also have a shower and a bathroom, which we'll get to soon. Again, you see the big windows, really gives a nice feel. But if you do want privacy, we've got these curtains. They don't really match, but they do the job. And you can also close off the front of the van as well. And the top bunk area has curtains. You can see that the table's there on the top bunk area. That goes into the floor, creating a space for a table. We have top compartments for storage, LED lighting throughout the van, cabinet space in the back drawers. Over here, this is the stove. We have a propane stove, works great, oven, all that stuff. You'll see here the heater. This is a propane heating unit, which kicks on using the digital thermostat, which can be timed. That's reading 81 degrees, which is the temperature inside the van. It's a little hot here in SoCal. But yeah, you can see there's plenty of space. In this back cabinet, we have the original carpet, or not the original carpet, but a blue carpet that can go in the van if you prefer to have carpet flooring. We have vinyl wood flooring. Here's the bathroom. You'll see it has a toilet. The toilet flushes by pushing this little button right here. Goes down into the gray water holding tank, and then you can dispose of it at the campground or a dump facility. Also has a shower in here, and a sink, and a mirror, and a little spot for your toilet paper. The fan also blows in the vent in the bathroom as well, and we have new vent covers on both spots in the van. Huge opening on the window here, really opens up the air, lets the air flow through the vehicle. It's very pleasant to be in. There you go. Thanks for checking it out, and you can check us out at freedomvessel.com or Instagram freedomvessel. Aloha.